Imagine asking AI for advice and getting an answer that's secretly biased. Here's the shocking part. This hidden bias is already shaping decisions worldwide. Artificial intelligence is powering healthcare, hiring, and finance. But that's not all. Behind the amazing speed lies a secret problem: bias. Real companies like Amazon, Google, and OpenAI have faced criticism for AI systems that unintentionally discriminate. Think of AI like a mirror. It reflects the data it's trained on. What happens next will surprise you. If the data carries stereotypes, the AI repeats them. Breaking myths, bias isn't just a glitch. It's a powerful risk that can affect jobs, loans, and even justice. Here's the warning. Ignoring bias could lead to unbelievable lawsuits, reputational collapse, and loss of trust. The amazing twist? Companies that discover and fix bias gain credibility, investor confidence, and global respect. Discover how industries are building fairness checks, transparency tools, and ethical frameworks to fight this hidden challenge. Next, imagine AI systems that self-detect bias before humans notice. This secret revolution could completely change how we trust technology. The shocking truth about AI bias isn't just technical, it's the hidden force shaping the future of society. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Nezzhub Tech for more future technology insights. And tell us, should AI be trusted to fix its own bias, or must humans always stay in control? And why?